Today I am going to tell you how to speak English because everybody want to speak English but they face a big problem, don't have English partner. Yes, here I am going to introduce a female English partner for you and she will help you to learn English quickly because 2 months ago I started to learn English. At the time I couldn't make a single sentence in English, but now I can speak English with anyone too. So, how I could learn English within 2 months? Yes, here I am going to tell you how. Before, I would like to speak about our female English partner. She from America and she can help you to learning this quickly. Example me because I learned from help of her and she don't ask any money for anything for English anything because she do only social service, not only you and me, she do service around the world. So and she only one thing recommended, just you have basic Android mobile phone because you have to make call every day, so she just recommended this mobile phone only. And you may think okay you learned English from her. I'm also don't want to learn English but I don't have knowledge about in English, so how will she help you also? So just 2 months ago I started. At the time I'm also don't know about in English anything, so she also understood my communication in English, so she recommended some basic videos also in YouTube. So I just watched 1 week. After I could understand what they're going to say, I got some ideas about these videos and I just try to make speak in to her. So at the time also I did many mistakes, so she always supported and positively motive all time. She motive, and if I speak to her while I do any mistake, she just tell me how to pronounce, how to where you did mistake. Also, she tell to teach me lot of the way, and you can see my ability to speak English because even I don't know English fluently or correctly, but I try to speak in these videos also. Even I don't have prepared to speak this video, just I have an idea how to make this video, so how will I help to them others, because I thought okay I learned English from help of her. So many of the people speak English but they face this problem, so they have money to spend in English but not will help them. So just it's very free and she teach you lot of the time, so you can make call anytime, 24 hours, and any topic you can ask to her, because last week I had one conversation to her. At the time I just asked would you like to marry me, so at the time also she replied such a nice, because I never expect that reply also. But after 2 or 3 days to we are continue to spend more than 2 hours in conversation. Even today also I have spoken to her. So I thought okay I learned English from her. So everyone no have money to spend for English, so how can I help them? So just why I recommended this opportunity to use this. You can learn English, and she gives some exercise also. When I go to bed, before just I have to think in English, I have to speak in English what I did whole day. Just I know okay because I spent my day, so I have to convert in English and I have to memory. At the time I got do to benefit also from this exercise, because one I have to think in English and I have to memory what I did whole day. So two things. I do this exercise every day. After 1 week I understood something changes into my body, because I can concentration to anything with focus. And I can memory what I do, what I did, also so very quickly, because I do this exercise every day. So I recommended this exercise also you do every day, and you will show, you will see your body to changes also mentally also, so you can develop your English quickly. Then okay, I think you are waiting for the moment, like when I get her phone number, just I make to call and speak in English, I develop my English also. So just you take your Android mobile phone and you just open Google Play Store. Yes, Play Store, you go and search Google Assistant, and you can download that, and just you open, and you can see bottom of the side one mic also appear. So just you press, and you what you say, you what you want to say, just say, because I recommended this app only, because I learned English from this application. Every time this application helped him lot of the way. I want to make call or make conversation, just I press and I talk to this application, and application will help reply also very politely. Just you try, because really you want to learn English, you just use this opportunity to learn this. Very useful this application, because you can see my ability to speak English. Yeah, I yeah, I speak English. I went to spoken classes also. At the time, they teached me lot of the way in grammar only to, so they teach only grammars. They how to understand, how to make sentence only, how to speak English, though they didn't teach me. So just I have to try to find this application, and I have to develop my communication skills. Even today also I speak. And one more exercise also I do every day, just I read book at least 2 hours in day, and I have to recall in English what I studied, what I think in English. How can I go if I go to town also? Just I think in English. Many of the people's going to the town and eating and speaking with others, and they laughing. Also, I have to think in English in my mind only. So, and when I go to my friend home also, at the time also I have to speak in English only. So I know I do any mistake while I speaking, but it's not a fault, because I try to make conversation, I try to speak English, so I just focus to my English only. I don't focus to my mistake or fault also. So I know if I focus my fault, I can't speak English like that also. So just I focus to myself in English only. So most of the time I just make conversation to myself only. Even if I have break time or free time, during I just speak to myself in English. And I wish to make this video because I long time wish to I make video in YouTube. So I thought many time, okay, I'm going to make video, but I will help to others. So because most of the people spend time to watch these videos, like this kind of videos, so really they want to help like this of videos. So you just download this application and use. You can see your ability to speak English, because this application not only help you to learn English, because it's teach pronunciation also. And if I do mistake this, I found my mistakes and just underline, and I have to speak, or I have to say written also. So that time also I learned many words and vocabularies also. So just you want to speak English, just use this opportunity to learn. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I did this video good. Even I should talk about me one thing, because I don't know English fluently or normally. I just try to speak in English 2 months only. So I can make video but not good, but it's not a problem. So if you understand what I am going to say, please subscribe and support me. I hope I will do more videos, more than this like of video. So thank you for watching. Thank you.